So I have 3 interesting pieces of information about the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, and let me tell you, all of them are quite unexpected. South Korean media reports that Samsung is completely getting rid of this model Galaxy Tab S10. To be clear, the Galaxy Tab S10 series will only come in Plus and Ultra variants, with display sizes 12.4 inches and 14.9 inches. Why the sudden change? Honestly, no one knows for sure. Maybe Samsung thinks if Apple can hit it big with an iPad Pro Duo of 11 and 13-inch models, why not follow suit? Additionally, this might indicate this model wasn't a top seller previously. While this might streamline Samsung's tablet lineup, it could disappoint those who prefer smaller, more affordable options. Next, let's talk about the chip powering the Tab S10 Ultra. Remember that Geekbench listing showing a Tab S10 Plus with a MediaTek processor? At that time, we thought Samsung was following a 3-chip strategy with the Tab S10 series. Some regions would get MediaTek, some Snapdragon, and some Exynos. But it turns out we were wrong. There won't be any Snapdragon or Exynos chips on the Tab S10 lineup. Samsung is going all in with MediaTek chips for their flagship tablet lineup, including the Tab S10 Ultra. Universe claims that Samsung's shift to the Dimensity 9300 Plus for its Tab S10 series is confirmed. This means all the Tab S10 models will come with MediaTek silicon, including the Ultra. This is a big surprise because the Tab S series has mostly used Qualcomm Snapdragon chips for years. However, there's a potential benefit to this change: cost. MediaTek chips are generally known for being more affordable compared to their Snapdragon counterparts. Plus, we've seen the first look at the Tab S10 Ultra, and it looks almost identical to last year's model. This suggests Samsung won't need to spend as much on production if there aren't any significant design changes. So technically, the Tab S10 lineup should cost less than its counterparts. But considering Samsung has increased the pricing of their flagship phones this year, it's unlikely, in my opinion, that they would lower the prices. I think at best the prices will remain the same. The MediaTek chip expected to be fitted inside the Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra is of course a top-of-the-line Dimensity 9300 Plus. And on benchmarks at least, it outperforms the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. So in combination with as much as 16GB of RAM, that should provide a similar level of raw overall performance as the 8 Gen 3. Now the third news about the Tab S10 lineup is its release date. Earlier, there were rumors that Samsung is launching the new tablets alongside the S25 in January, but turns out that was not true. The tablets are coming much sooner than that, in October. Now this whole thing makes a bit more sense. At first I was wondering why aren't they going with the upcoming Dimensity 9400? But since the chip won't be available for use this year, it makes sense why they went with the 9300 Plus.